Welcome to KNDS France. Behind me is the Roanne facility, the heart of our armored vehicle production. Let's look at how this project is organized. Welcome to the main production halls. Here at KNDS France, our integration of robotic welding and gantry systems ensures unparalleled efficiency and precision. Welcome to the KNDS France Roanne facility. Behind me, you can see the state-of-the-art production floor where we are assembling.
This is the KNDS France facility in Roanne, a cornerstone of European armored vehicle production.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the right.
Manifest confirms 40 plates, heat numbers match.
Is the angle correct on cradle 4?
Reading 3.5 degrees.
Confirmed. Lock it down.
Lowering sequence initiated. Approaching set point.
Mark aligned on section 3. Confirmed set.
All right, hold tension on the crane. Secure the strong backs. Gap is good. Ready for tacking. Starting weld sequence. Bring it down just a touch. Hold it. Hold and steady. Clearances look good. Ready to weld.
We've got full coverage on the suspension mounts, all green.
Attaching the final target near the turret ring now.
Okay, pulling that measurement in now. Looks within tolerance.
Easy down, hold center. Contact. Tap the far edge. Angle set. Lock it down.
Utilizing a specialized deep-hole boring machine, we drilled a 120mm bore. High-pressure cutting oil flushes the chip
of Ohlers. The honing machine refines the bore surface to a precise crosshatch pattern. Afterwards, an air gauge
Serial numbers confirmed on the hyperbar crankshafts.
barcode scan complete, ready for transfer to assembly.
The machining center cycles the crankcases automatically. Inside, the honing head cuts the cylinder bores, creating the critical crosshatch finish. The precision ground crankshaft is carefully lowered into the V8X crankcase, ensuring perfect alignment with the main bearing saddles before the torque sequence begins. Heated to austenitizing temperature, the bar is quickly moved to the hydraulic twisting machine. It is twisted beyond its yield point to pre-stress the material for service life.
Quality inspectors meticulously measure the wheel runout using a V-block and dial indicator, ensuring every road wheel meets the highest standards. The 500-ton forging press produces track-link forgings from heated steel billets. The ram descends with thundering force.
Inside the integration laboratory, engineers assemble the Finder's battlefield management computer system. New units are continuously built and immediately tested. The intercom control unit undergoes rigorous functional testing across all frequency ranges to ensure battlefield reliability before integration.
Torque confirmed on fasteners 1 through 4. Handing off the wrench.
Ready to receive. Lowering the bracket now.
Impact gun engaged. Hold steady. Applying final torque now. All right, bring it down. Watch the starboard side clearance. Steady descent initiated. Port side is clear. Alignment tabs engaged. Set her down.
Torque wrench confirms 50 Newton meters on the fuel line.
Cooling clamps are secure.
Main electrical harness locked. We are green here. With the bolts secured and the harness connected, the team initiates the critical functional verification, confirming the smooth rotation of the automated loading system.
Okay, lower. Watch the alignment. Engaged. Start the caps now. Impact wrench ready.
Next panel, left side.
Position confirmed.
Check the alignment on row 3.
Watch the alignment.
Guide it steady over the sprocket. Okay, engage the hydraulic tool now.
All right, team, guide it in. Steady now. Contact.
Engage the retention locks.
Verify seating on that forward segment. Looks good. Torquing now. Initiating rotation sequence. Rotation is smooth.
Torque set on the primary VHF mount.
Connector secured. Routing the GPS feed now.
Copy that. Finalizing the array screws.
All internal systems report green status. NBC initialization passed.
Confirmed voltage at the harness test points. Commissioning check is a success.
Checklist confirmed. Engage starter now.
Oil pressure stabilizing. Systems nominal.
Cycle through forward gears 1 to 5, then engage full left steering.
Cycling gears now. Steering check initiated. Parameters nominal.
Elevation cycle complete. Initiating max rate traverse.
Stand by for azimuth reading. How's the sight picture looking, Gunner?
Aligned, sir. Reticle centered on the reference mark.
Confirmed. Alignment within specification. Procedure complete.
Pressure differential gauge reading steady at 500 pascals.
seal integrity verified. Recording data on the checklist now.
Readings are stabilizing. Weight confirmed at 55.5 tons. Calculation complete. You are cleared to exit the station.
We'll start with the high-speed straight, then immediately transition to the rough terrain section. Maintain situational awareness through the gradient slopes.
Range clear. You are authorized to fire. Fire!
Bore inspection complete. Findings show expected residue deposits within limits.
Breech face and chamber surfaces checked. Mechanisms operating normally.
Exterior hull systems checked and compliant.
Running gear tension verified.
All documentation signed off, ready for delivery.
Voici les rapports d'essais finaux et les certificats de calibration requis. Je vérifie la documentation. Tout semble en ordre pour la validation finale. Inside the assembly area,
Keep coming straight. Easy now. Align left. Hold. Stop right there. Steady now. Keep it centered. Right there. Hold. All right, team, let's get these chains tight. Back it up, steady. Watch your clearance on the left. All right, hold it there. Looks good. Initiate inspection.
Status update. Running gear check complete. Weapon systems verified.
Good. Vehicle is formally accepted into service. Vehicle 005 is formally assigned. Acknowledged, sir. Driver systems check. Green.
All right, team, simulation start. Engage armor column bearing 090. Target acquired. Gunner, fire. Firing Sabot. Target hit. Advance to the slope, steady speed. Roger, advancing. Turning right now. Turning right.
Track tension checked and within spec.
Diagnostic systems show green across the board. Logging the service now.
As you can see, the bore dimension CPK is trending amber.
we've analyzed the tool wear progression, a compensation.
We've got clearance on the new harness routing. See, the interference check is green. That resolves the fit issue, and the electrical impact is negligible. Send the deviation through.
Yes. As you can see on the delivery schedule, we are on track. The defect rate is also at a quarterly low.
Yes, the quality improvements are holding.
The CMM confirms everything is green. They meet the quality gate requirements.
Excellent. I'll countersign the inspection record now.
By optimizing systems like our LED lighting and recovering waste heat from compression, combined with rooftop solar, While the current generation serves our forces today, KNDS France is already advancing the next generation of armored vehicle capability. Sequence initiated on the forward bolts. Confirmed. Moving to the rear access panel now. We track every vehicle in real time. Drilling down, we access the complete digital production record, including...
Major, the thermal sight detector module is confirmed. It's already being prepped for urgent dispatch.
Outstanding. That ensures the vehicle is back operational today.
And with that, the production journey here at KNDS France Roanne is complete. The Leclerc is ready for service.
Reference, this is Kilo 9, radio check, over.
Kilo 9, reading you 5x5. Switching to secure mode now.
Secure mode active, signal check successful.
Delivery is complete. A proud moment for KNDS.
Indeed. The Leclerc will serve France well.
The tactical markings on this one seem slightly off-center. Ensure compliance across the squadron.
Yes, sir. We will correct it immediately.
Tank 1, fire mission, bearing 290.
Firing. Shot neutralized. Moving to position 2.
Overwatch is clear. Move!
Precision installation is critical, ensuring the integrity of the vision blocks, which provide the crew with 360-degree situational awareness.
And the time is 4.9 seconds.
Confirmed. Recording data now.
The structural integrity report aligns with our physical inspection findings.
Excellent. The certification is verified.
Verifying the exhaust mixing function. The thermal gradient confirms proper dilution against the reference standard on the tablet.
Thermal management is critical for sustained fire missions. Here we verify the cooling jacket integrity and sensor accuracy.
As the system powers on, the engineer calibrates the gain and focus controls. A final power consumption check confirms the unit is operating correctly.
This exit route is clear, but check the extinguisher date. Tag shows it was serviced last month. It's compliant.
Engine parameters verified. Initiating fire suppression test sequence. Alert acknowledged. System operational. Finalizing report.
Gunner, fire! Bottleneck here is causing the delay.
If we move these two tasks upstream, the simulation shows a 12% efficiency gain.
Excellent. Let's draft the implementation plan.
Environmental compliance is central to our operations. All production waste, including metal swarf, is processed and recycled, ensuring minimal impact. The AMX-30 laid the groundwork, but the Leclerc truly revolutionized our capabilities, paving the way for the next-generation MGCS program.
We must finalize the interface alignment on the powertrain module immediately.
Agreed. We will send the simulation data by EOD.
From high-hardness steel plate to this operational Leclerc vehicle, we stand ready for France's armored core.